Okay, so undoubtedly some of you have seen this video from our friends over at DV8 where they had to get flat towed off of a trail in Moab by Matt's Off-Road Recovery. It bent the bumper up. It wasn't the bumper's fault. It was the mounts that the bumpers mount to. And that's every bumper that you get for the Bronco. So that kind of pressure over time and over bumpy roads will make it bend up. So we went to our friends at Attitude Performance to have them install these LOD Offroad front bumper brace kit. You do have to drill a hole in the frame. And then you have to widen another hole to get these plates up. And what these do, these reinforce that bumper plate. And as you can see here, this does work with the Max Tire Clearance kit from JKS. So it's a win-win. Definitely think this is worth an investment, especially even if you don't hardcore off-road, but you think you might need to get flat towed. It is definitely worth an investment. Regardless, like I said, regardless of what bumper, it didn't damage their bumper. It just damaged the factory mounting point, bent it up. So I think this would be a good investment. They're not that expensive, and you can get them online. So we'll put a link below to the video from DV8 showing you what happened, and also we'll put a link below where you can buy this directly from the manufacturer. So anyway, wanted to share this with you guys. Just another little tip. As always, hope you guys enjoyed. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you also want to hit that alert button to keep you alerted to anytime we put new content up, keep you up to speed on what we're doing. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much.